What's up, everybody? I am so excited to be with you today. It is Lauren Delisa Coleman, super in the trenches with you. I just kind of ran over to the side for a moment so I could talk with you about this. And as you can see, I'm in a studio and getting ready to shoot some things. You know, of course, my expertise is all about mobile, digital, giving people instruction and all of that. Advice, what have you. But here is why I said I wanted you to tune in today, because I had something special for you, and why it's so important to persist. Now, I had been talking about another organization, or rather talking to them, just about how I kind of saw giving a course or a class on a lot of things in terms of mobile strategy, marketing, how to make it hot and hip. And I hadn't heard from them in months. I mean, and I had actually been following up and just nothing. And then I guess it was just the right time, because I followed up with them yet again, I guess maybe 5 months later. And they just like took to it like bees to honey. They had a whole different approach. They were doing a special partnership with Ustream and set me up to do not one, but 2 episodes where I can reach almost 33 million people today via Ustream. So I just want to say I am living proof. The persistence pays. Stay with what you're doing, create a unique brand, particularly involving different digital elements. I'm telling you, there's just so much opportunity. So think it through, but this is definitely something I wanted to share with you guys today, because it's really about encouraging certainly more of us as women of color to go for what you want and somehow integrate digital into it. Of course, that's my 360. But ladies, I know each and every one of you has some kind of niche expertise, whatever. How can you best use mobile and social to make it happen in your career like nobody else and own it? All right? So think about that and join me tomorrow, because you know I'm always here to support you, motivate you, and give you different business tips as I am preparing you to lead for the future. All right, it's Lauren Delisa Coleman. I'm out. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.